Hello, in front of me I've got Dark Project Midnight. In this video I'll show you how to replace switches. In the beginning, in the original box, we've got 4 replaceable switches. Open the box. Select switch and now remove the key. For this, prepare key removal tool. Place it over the key, like this, and pull the key out. Now, this part we are going to use to remove the switch. In order to do it, place it over the switch, press it, and pull the switch out. Now, prepare the second switch and place it back in its spot. Slightly push it and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.